Hi everyone, my name's Rich. I'm gonna take everyone through a quick travel workout to show you guys some exercises you can do to stay fit while you're on the road, while you're traveling. I know it might be tough for some of you to find the time to get in some time for yourself and really, push your levels of fitness, but really also kind of stay in shape. This one here is a squat jump to burpee. It's one of the most underrated exercises out there because it really does work everything. It is a great test of your strength and endurance. A lot of CrossFit athletes use an exercise like this or a variation. You can change it up, do it so many different ways. But I like incorporating a squat where you get nice and low, athletic stance, really getting your quads, really getting your glutes into this. I like to use my arms. Some people like to keep their arms out front. I like to really use my arms in the jump so it makes it a total body workout. Throw your arms back, jump up. You can jump up as high as you want. You don't need to jump too high. Throw my arms up, back down, straight down into the burpee stance. Everybody knows this. Push up, all the way down. Bring your legs, jump back up. Get ready again. Like this. A lot of military guys use this. A lot of times it's a form of punishment. But whatever, it's a great exercise. Do anywhere between 8 and 12 until you get tired. 30-second rest. Do it all over again. I hope everyone learned a few things. This is Rich Herrera, and we'll see you out on the road. Take care.